Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. Launching a new website in 2026 but struggling to rank on Google. The secret is not always high volume keywords, it's a low competition keywords. In this video, I will show you how to find them and use them to grow your website faster. What are low competition keywords? Low competition keywords are search terms that are easier to rank for because faster websites are targeting them. They usually have lower keywords difficulty, moderate search volume, and are often long tail keywords phrases with three or more keywords. For example, instead of targeting fitness, try something like home workout routine for beginners. It's more specific and much easier to rank. Why they matter for new website? When your website is new competing for big keywords against established websites is extremely difficult. Low competition keywords help you rank faster, attract targeted visitors, build authority gradually in your niche. How to find low competition keywords? Here are 5 strategies you can use. First, use free keyword tools like Google Keyword Planners, Ubersuggest, or Answer the Public to find keyword ideas and difficulty score. Second, focus long tail keywords because they usually have lower competition and higher conversion rate. Third, analyze competitors using tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush to discover keyword opportunities they may be missing. Fourth, using Google autocomplete and related search to find real queries people are searching for. 5. Understand search intent. International keywords like how to start a blog are often easier to rank for than highly competitive buying keywords. Evaluating keyword difficulty. When choosing a keyword, look at those key metrics. First, keyword difficulty score. Second, domain authority of competing site. Third, page authority of ranked pages. Now, call to action. Low competition keywords are one of the smartest SEO strategies for new website. With the right research and targeting, you can start ranking, gaining traffic, and building authority faster than you think. Also, if you want to learn more low competition keywords, then check the description and first comment. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.